Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this video just yet, but in the time being I wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Yes, so I just kind of wanted to jump in here and just kind of show you this one item that I got. It was a Christmas present, so I had posted a shorts and a community post on this item, but I had to wait, at least the boxing of it, but I had to wait until Christmas to be able to open it. So yes, so I'm just gonna jump right on it and I'm gonna reveal it to you guys. So I got an item from Coach, and this is in this box, and it came with this cute little snowman card. I got 3 items from Coach. Well, I got a few items from Coach, but some of them, unfortunately, I forgot to request to be gift wrapped, so not all of them came with the Christmas wrapping and the little, but I did end up getting, I believe, 2 of these. So anyways, but I wanted to show you this. I got this. This was a gift for myself, and some of you guessed that what it might be, and yes, so let's jump in it. I mean, it's a pretty big box, and I'm sure most of you can figure out what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the ribbon. I have not been even, listen, I haven't even inspected it since I received it, so I hope there's nothing wrong with it, because this is the first time. This is a true unboxing, a reveal, and this is the first time I'm gonna even look at it. I unboxed it from the cardboard box that it came in, but I have not opened the Coach box, so I hope it's in good order and there's nothing wrong with it, because I've had it under my tree for 3 weeks now, I think. So taking off the box, the lid of the box, and here's the item, and this is the dust bag, and I think y'all can see the handles, and as you can all see, it's pretty big. So let's get into this. I got the Empire Carryall size 40 in the honey color. I'm sure you guys have seen videos on this bag. I personally didn't. There's more on TikTok, but I didn't find like a whole lot on YouTube. I think maybe there's 1 or 2 that I came across. I came across this bag. I saw it, I think, on TikTok real quick, and I don't know exactly how many days it had been out for when I saw it. But I went ahead and I jumped on the website, I bought it, and that night it was sold out. So I was a little bit nervous because my order was saying order in process, but it took a little while for it to go from process to shipping. And I was wondering, like, can it be possible that I ordered it and it sold out, and then maybe when they went to pick it, they didn't have any more? I don't know. I got a little bit nervous. It did take a little bit longer than usual to get here. When I ordered my Empire Carryall in the navy blue, I ordered this on a Tuesday night, and I got it on a Friday morning, like before noon. So like Tuesday night, so let's say Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So like by the 3rd day, I had it in my hands. This took about 7 days, probably like 8 or 9. So I was a little bit concerned, like, so anyways, here it is, guys. And yes, it's crazy because I have the other one, but I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm obsessed with this purse. I love the navy blue. I know a lot of people were mostly preferring the burgundy, and that's great. I have a couple of burgundy bags. I did need another one, so I was really happy when I was able to get the navy blue. I love the burnishing on the navy blue. I have used and abused that bag ever since I got it. When did I get it? Like, I don't know, 2-3 months ago. And I use it for work. I went to my parents for Christmas. That was my week for like overnight, and that was like my weekender bag. My travel bag, I put all my stuff in it. When I saw this come out in the honey color, I just kind of lost my shit. Pardon my French, but I was just like, I gotta have it. So let's just look at it real quick. As you all know, it has the little tag. It does have some burnishing on it, or I should say, it does have burnishing, but it's not as I don't know how it's showing on camera, but it's not as burnished as the burgundy one per se, where it goes burgundy more to like a dark color. You can definitely see the burnishing here, and definitely up here above the coach. I mean, again, I don't know how it's showing on camera. There it is in the back. It's very subtle, but it's there. It still has the wrapping here, and all the stuffing on the inside. There's the strap. When I got my navy blue one, I think if I go back on that video, I think the handles and everything were covered. I don't remember, but it really doesn't bother me that, you know, they gift wrapped it, so I understand that they took some of the stuff off. As you all know, the inside has got this like microfiber. It's not suede. It feels like suede, but it's not. And it's got the pocket there. And I feel like when I move it around some, you can maybe see this better, the burnishing, but oh my goodness, this smells like pure leather. So yeah, and as you all know, it has feet. Obsessed. I couldn't wait to finally be able to open it and share it with you guys. I'm obsessed with this color. I really don't have anything in this color. I have my cedar 26 tabby in suede, and I have my tabby 26 in shearling, which is more of a beige color. And as you all know, the other one is a cedar. I have this that's got different colors. It's got a little bit of honey there, but I don't have anything like all like this honey color, like, well, they're calling it honey, but it's like, I don't know, it's you can see burnishing here. You'll see the burnishing here. Yeah, so it's kind of, you know, it's kind of like subtle, but it's like throughout. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you all. I'm thinking about, I have my teddy here. This is one of my many Coach teddy bears. I think he's gonna look really cute in the front. And let me see. I think the pretzel would also look really, really cute, right? And I'm even thinking about using this one. Look at that. And I'm not concerned at all with like scratching and stuff like that. Like, I just feel like a bag needs to do what it needs to do. So yeah, I think that'll look cute. I'm probably gonna be adding some chains and just kind of dressing her up, you know, accessorizing her. But yeah, so that's kind of what I got. I also have the taxi cab by itself. So that's one right there. So, I mean, I'll do something with it. I don't have the ring for this one, but this is a little paw. I got this from the Girls shop. And I even have, let me see. This one I also got from Elisa's website. Oh, it's flipped. If I want to do more like black with it. I also have a twilly. I have the Coach signature twilly or skinny scarf, you know, from Coach. I have, this is called amber color, and I have the navy blue. So I think it'll be cool, like wear them opposite. Like I'll have the amber on this one, and I'll have the navy blue on the amber, what do you call it, honey color bag. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let me all know what you think. Maybe it's a little bit too much that I have the same bag twice, but I mean, that's not, I mean, I have several Fendi baguettes. I have the trifecta on the Never Full. So I have a couple of Speedies, so it's not like unusual for me to have two bags of the same style, but on a different print. I mean, I have two Cassies, and I have a whole bunch of Tabbies quilted, right? So yeah, obsessed with this. Let me all know what you think. And oh, today I'm using this beauty because I feel like it matches my it definitely matches my sweater for sure. And yeah, and then I got the little feet from the Girls Guys shop. And yeah, so that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, if you'd like me to do a review. I am going to be doing a review on the navy blue carryall that it's been a workhorse, and I've been abusing that bag. So yeah, so let me know if you want to see any other videos, and if you have any questions, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Merry Christmas. Bye.